Welcome to Best Choice. The best dog mats for water is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items for any pet owner looking to keep their home clean and their furry friend comfortable, especially after bath time or outdoor adventures, as these specialized mats are designed to absorb excess moisture, prevent slippery floors, and provide a designated drying area, ultimately saving you time on cleanup and ensuring a safer environment for everyone in the household. Number 5. Reopet Silicone Pet Feeding Mat. Tired of mats that slide and curl? Our extra heavy, thickened design stays put, keeping your pet's feeding area tidy and mess-free. With high raised edges and premium silicone, it forms a waterproof barrier. This effectively contains spills and keeps your floors dry and stain-free. The textured surface grips bowls securely, while the heavy bottom prevents sliding. Even the messiest eaters will keep their bowls in place. Made from 100% BPA-free, food-grade silicone, it's completely safe for your pets. You can serve meals directly on it without any worries. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply wipe and rinse. It takes less than a minute to clean, leaving no residue or water spots. What we like? This mat features an extra heavy and thick design that stays put, preventing it from sliding around during meal times. Its high raised edges create a waterproof barrier, effectively containing spills and keeping your floors clean. If you have a particularly messy eater or a dog that tends to splash water, this mat is an excellent choice for maintaining a tidy feeding area. What people say. The mat is large and covers a good area. It absorbs water very well and keeps the floor dry. The material is durable and easy to clean. Number 4. SplashEZ Non-Slip Splash Pad. Say goodbye to slips and falls with our non-slip surface. Keep your little ones and furry friends safe while they splash and play in this awesome sprinkler pool. This is the ultimate summer toy for everyone, including your furry friends. With its durable materials and unique design, everyone will be wagging their tails with excitement. With a spacious 69-inch surface area, this splash mat is big enough for the whole family to enjoy. Get ready for endless hours of fun in the sun. Keep your kids and dogs cool and safe with its shallow wading depth and anti-slip surface. Plus, it's BPA and phthalates free, so you can have fun without any worries. We are committed to providing top-notch service. If you're not satisfied, contact our friendly team for a solution. What we like? This is an extra-large splash pad designed for both kids and dogs to enjoy outdoor water fun. It boasts a non-slip surface for safety and a generous size that accommodates the whole family. If you're looking for a way to keep your pets and children cool and entertained during hot summer days with a safe and spacious water play area, this is the perfect option. What people say. The mat is large and covers a good area, preventing water from spreading. It's easy to clean and dries quickly, which is great for maintaining hygiene. The non-slip surface keeps the mat in place, even when wet. Number 3. OLANLY Chenille Dog Doormat. Experience cloud-like comfort with our plush chenille mat. It's designed to feel cozy underfoot and provide a soft spot for your pet, while also being a thoughtful choice for your home. Built for the messiest entrances, this mat absorbs moisture and traps dirt from paws and shoes. Keep your floors clean without chasing paw prints through the house. The textured backing helps keep the mat securely positioned, reducing sliding and bunching. It provides reliable placement on various flooring types in high-traffic pet areas. Cleaning is simple, just shake off loose dirt and toss it in the washing machine. Its quick-drying construction means it's back in place sooner. From the front door to the car, this mat goes where your dog goes. Use it at entryways, under bowls, after baths, or as a crate liner. With a slim profile, it fits neatly into entryways without adding bulk. It's a practical, space-saving choice for any pet-friendly home. What we like? This mat is crafted from soft, dense chenille that is highly absorbent, effectively trapping mud, moisture, and dirt at the door. It features a non-slip backing and is machine washable for easy cleaning. If you want to keep your entryway clean and dry from muddy paws and are looking for a comfortable and stylish solution that's easy to maintain, this mat is ideal. Number 2. Ptlom Silicone Pet Placemat. Cleaning up after your pet is a breeze. Simply use an ordinary brush to wipe away messes, saving you valuable time. Our innovative design features an anti-overflow edge to keep your floors clean. It effectively prevents spills and messes from soiling your home during mealtimes. Ensure your pet's well-being by preventing them from consuming contaminated food. This mat keeps their dining area clean and hygienic. The thick, non-slip cushion provides superior friction. This keeps pet bowls firmly in place, preventing them from sliding around during meals. Choose the right size for your furry friend. Ensure it comfortably accommodates their food and water bowls for a satisfying dining experience. Crafted from high-quality silicone, this placemat is built to last. It's designed to withstand daily use and keep your pet's feeding area tidy. What we like? This placemat is designed with an anti-overflow edge and a material that effectively prevents food and water from soiling your floors. It offers super friction to keep pet bowls from moving easily and is simple to clean. If you're seeking a straightforward, effective solution to protect your floors from spills around your pet's food and water bowls, this is a practical choice. What people say. The mat is very absorbent and keeps the floor dry. It's easy to clean and dries quickly. The non-slip backing keeps the mat in place. Number 1. BAGSMART Women's Tote Bag. Introducing the BAGSMART Tote Bag, designed for the modern woman. It's the perfect blend of style and practicality for your daily needs. Keep your belongings secure and organized with its convenient zipper closure. Multiple compartments ensure everything has its place. This versatile tote is ideal for your work commute or your next travel adventure. It easily carries all your essentials. Healthcare professionals will appreciate its thoughtful design, but it's also perfect for gym sessions or everyday errands. Carry it comfortably as a shoulder handbag, wherever your day takes you. It's designed for ease of use and portability. Crafted with durability and a chic aesthetic in mind, this bag is built to last and complement any outfit. What we like? This tote bag is designed for women with multiple compartments and a secure zippered closure, making it ideal for work, travel, or the gym. It offers organized storage for your essentials. If you need a versatile and durable bag that can keep your belongings organized during various activities, this tote bag is a great companion. What people say. The mat is very absorbent and keeps my floors dry. It's non-slip, so it stays in place even when my dog walks on it. Easy to clean, just hose it off and let it air dry. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.